Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting corner with you today, and I'm so excited to bring you a little taste of India. I think they're India. Bringing you a taste of India today. I have 3 different kind of cookie packs, and I'm excited. I found these at the Indian store in LA. Hang with me. I don't have this format down yet. I'm just trying to get back into doing taste test videos for you guys because I've been crazy busy. So anyway, we have 3 different kinds of cookies. The top one here is cashew cookies. The middle one, turn, is butter cookies. And the one before that says pista almond. So I'm guessing that's pistachio almond. I don't think native English speakers in America would say pista almond because that means something different. But this one says pista almond. So let's get these open. So I still had a little price tag on here. So I know that these packets were 99 cents each. And I think I'm going to start with the butter cookies because I think they're going to have the lightest flavor on here. They look like they're from a company called G'day. Almost sounds Australian. Oh, well, let's see. It says Britannia up here, and it says G'day here, and then it says butter cookies here. So, what can I tell you? It says that it is 58% wheat flour, sugar, palm oil, butter, 4.5%, skim milk powder, ammonium bicarbonate, which makes them rise, as we all know. Soy lecithin, mono and diglycerides of fatty acids for emulsification. Airplane. It also says it has artificial flavor butter, milk, milk, and vanilla. So there we go. This is made in a plant where there is wheat and milk and peanuts, so if you have allergies, beware. Beware. Okay. I'm gonna crack these open. So these look like they're little individual, snack packs for your lunch or for you or your kids or whatever else. So they look like this. Let's see. Smells like a butter cookie. It's pretty hard to mess up butter cookies unless you put too much crap in them. Let's see. Pull out one that here appears to be whole. Here's what they look like. Ooh. All right. It tastes like a butter cookie, except it doesn't taste like a butter cookie. It has the consistency of a butter cookie, but I don't taste butter. You know what it tastes like? I figured it out. It tastes like an animal cracker. Very plain, very something you would give to new children or those that are sensitive to things. It's okay. It's just very plain. That's enough taste. Yeah, it tastes like a butter cookie with no butter. I got the TARDIS again today. All right, moving on from the butter cookie that doesn't taste like butter. Okay, let's go with cashews. I love cashews. You guys love cashews? I don't know that I've ever had a cashew flavored cookie. I've had cashews, I've had cashew butter, all that kind of stuff, but I've never had a cashew flavored cookie. This one's not so easy to open. Okay, so they look the same. They smell the same. They smell like animal crackers. All right, they look exactly the same. Look at this one. Which one? This one is the cashew. This one is the cashew. This one is the butter. All right. It tastes different, but I wouldn't say it's better. I don't think cashew at all. I'm not saying it's not in there, but it doesn't taste like cashew. All right, let's wash it down with a little coffee. Oh, I love coffee. All right, last but not least in this short taste test today, pista almond. So, if you guys don't believe me, pista almond. That just cracks me up. Now, what I think, this green, can you guys see that green? That is a beautiful green. Look at the luminescence on there with the lights. All right, Let's open the pista almond. I think they look the same. Okay, that's really weird. I'm going to laugh when I tell you what this smells like. To me, this smells like... This smells like a bayberry candle from the 1970s. Something your grandma would pull out at the holidays. That is very strange. And again, they look exactly the same. Those are just bubbles and holes from, probably from cooking. All right, let's give it a taste. Maybe. Airplane. I don't know. If any of you watched the taste test from last year, we did a dessert called rasguli, rasmula, ras something. And everybody in India told me that they had put the wrong label on the can. And I almost think that somebody is playing a joke on us here, because all three of these taste almost exactly the same. Like they may have spritzed a little scent on them before they put them in the package. But this does not taste like pista almond. Okay. The moment of truth. How do I think about these? They're okay. I give them like a 4. I don't want to spit them out. They're not that horrible. But they don't taste to me as advertised, and they all taste almost exactly the same. So I'm not sure why they even make different ones. I give them like a 4 or 5. They're okay. Somebody gave them. I'd eat them. I'd put them with some coffee and eat them. But I don't need to buy them again. So there you go. All right. So there we go. These are the Good Day cookies from India. Hope you guys enjoyed this taste test video. Like and subscribe. You know all the stuff. Just hit the like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to come back. I'd love to see you guys. If you don't, nice to meet you. See you later. All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones for Taste Test, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.